Have I told you, Lord, how much I love you? Have I told you there's no one else above you? Fill my heart with gladness, take away all my sadness.
Welcome to Just Being Ifeoma. Just Being Ifeoma will explore life and living in different contexts, as expressed in the writings from a book, Sounds from Silence, Musings, written by Ifeoma, Idigbe. The politics of gender. Gender needs to be explained. Each time the gender issue is raised, spectres arise in people's minds of a movement by women to take over the world. The word gender encompasses both male and female, and gender equity advocates that both should be able to contribute fully in their own unique ways to life and living for the betterment of the world. Men and women often get it wrong, making it a competitive, antagonistic, all-out battle. Sometimes women are combative in a way that is self-defeating, and sometimes men reject anything they perceive accords women additional rights without due consideration. Both sexes must declare a truce. The world is, after all, incomplete without both. There would be no go out and multiply without both man and woman. As the young might say, we all need to take chill pills and chill out. We are all on the same side. Where does the politics in gender even come from, and what is at stake? What are men afraid of if women achieve higher positions in all spheres of life? Are women forgetting traditional values? Are women's ambitions in playing those roles mutually exclusive? Can both roles not coexist in the same woman? We already know what women would like to change: subjugation and a denial of opportunities. If wives are not to use all their talents, what about daughters and granddaughters? Or should they resign themselves to the same lives when they become wives? What about mothers and their daughters-in-law? Can mothers encourage their sons to let their wives become all they can be? Many men listen to their mothers, so women can really change the world, if not for themselves, then certainly for the women coming after them. Can women be allowed to be partners with their husbands, true helpmates? To me, this is the essence of the gender argument. When women can use all their talents and abilities, joining their capabilities with those of men, there will be 100% participation and contribution, and the world will be transformed for the better at a faster rate. What a wonderful world it would be. Children, both boys and girls, and therefore men and women, would have no reason to be emotionally insecure. Is there a danger of men feeling psychologically emasculated by women who have financial and cultural independence? Is there a danger that the traditional male roles of taking care of their wives and children are being usurped by well-heeled women? Would that matter? Why would that happen if each gender considers itself able and with rights? Do men feel a sense of not being needed? Are these valid concerns that should make us emphasize he as well as she? Can we all just adjust our thinking and stop using the yardstick of traditional roles, simply identifying new roles as the need arises? Let the best man or woman take care of each situation, each working for the good of the other and the world. Great idea, methinks. I wish. Students of politics will tell you that once there is a choice, politics is inevitable. Choice presupposes alternatives and therefore picking one over the other. Preference, different interests, ergo politics. The truth is that we, both male and female, are all insecure to some extent, and that interferes with our best or desired behavior and our ability to cooperate with one another. Our egos take over. Nothing is easy. Everything is politics, so why not gender?